everyone, and welcome to another video of my Halloween looks. Hope you like this dark side of me. Enjoy! I've already did my eyebrows, so now I'm going to start with the eyes. I will be using the shadow shields to give my shadow a defined look. I will be applying eyeshadow primer on both my eyes for a last longing look. From this eyeshadow palette, I will be using this black shadow with an angled brush, drawing a line above my crease and creating a flick line at the end, but do not blend it. Then I will be taking this white pencil and filling in the line all over my lid, leaving a little empty space at the end. I will also be using a black pencil to fill in the empty space. Next, I will be taking the silver shade with my MAC 239 brush and applying it over the white pencil, which will make the color pop. I will be taking that same black shade and applying it over the black pencil, creating a wing with the shadow. I will be blending the silver and black eyeshadow together with my MAC 217 brush. With this fluffy brush, I will apply a shimmery off-white color on my brow bone. Now I will be taking off the shadow shields. Next is the face. I will be applying primer all over my face for smooth application. For my foundation, I will be using this really light foundation with the damp beauty blender. I didn't realize how light it was, but after taking photos, it didn't look too bad. Then I will be applying my concealer on my under eye circles and blend it out. With my MAC 187 brush, I will set the foundation with translucent powder. I will be applying the silver and black shadow on my lash line with my MAC 219 brush. Then I'm going to line my waterline with a black pencil. I will be lining my upper lash line with the liquid liner and extending the outer line just a bit. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply any type of mascara I like. I'm also going to be applying false lashes. I will be contouring my cheekbones, head, and nose with this shade. Then I will be highlighting my cheeks, chin, cupid's bow, nose, and forehead. Next are the lips. I will be applying this black lip pencil and filling in my lips with a black liquid lipstick. Everything's all done, so I'm going to fix my headband and put on my wings. I hope you like this dark look. Be sure to check out more Halloween looks the upcoming weeks. Thanks for watching!